Kanang kersiu Thia Player Youth Club ka khot bat kayawer ya Kishnang ki badan ha ka Them Riboy District bapin yawan ya shimbenta ha ka Inter Village Knockout Football Tournament kabanlang haubanai September hadu October ajar Plie Hamadan NSCA Phaham Sim Nongpoh.
Suhsieng Tourist Guide Society Nongpoh haka sautrik nailar ahrajar Plie kala Plie pajba ya ka Star Expo ha parking lot jong ka Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex haka nega singi Plie lawan sakhi da uba kharbi khiu ubadir u Additional Deputy Commissioner Riboy District kumukongsan batki officer na kitnat sorkar bapher ka Suhsieng Tourist Guide Society Nongpoh ka weri ki pajba banwan syakane ka Star Expo banthit ikitiar nadu kitiar shed ki jingbam kijing bun kijing sat nalor kiwei pan. Ka Star Expo kan kut hadu ka arphui tarik nailar ahrajar Plie. Kinongkren kila ay mensim susu ya kane ka kunhun kabala penlong ya kane ka yeu. Bat ki ay jingmut banwan ra ru ya kinong sengkam jong ka dong Riboy ru bat kindi ya kitiar ha kine ki jat yeu bat kumjuru ban snok ketilang bat kitnat sorkar kanang banyo penhe ya kane ka yeu ha kipor ki banwan.
Pentikna nam takalian ka security rafidon kam kathra jingi dalam pembacan hang bat nangit scam ba tindon ki police patrolling party khamtam before janmi rang bagalong ki singa ya ki nong wan yo wan hat ni ka expo jofi bat ladadon ki ba fi sudon kam bakan yo attention jon police they need an ECI.
Earlier, such a program was always conducted by the government of Meghalaya through the Commerce and Industries Department. So it was a big fanfare those days in Polo Hills. So from there, participants in the trade expo were selected and then they were sponsored to present in New Delhi during the International Trade Fair promotion. That is always held at Pragati Maidan during the month of November. Gradually, what happened now, you can see lots of private stakeholders taking part in such program. I feel these type of programs are very good. In fact, the term expo, it means exposure. Whenever you expose, whenever you display or exhibit any products, local products, traditional products in any given place, local place, that's what exposure is. So I believe through this program, I urge upon the farmers, the agriculturists, of Riboy district as a whole, that in such programs they can take this program as a platform to showcase their various items. Riboy platform will give opportunity to our local farmers to showcase their products. So I also urge the organizers of this program, the Star Expo, that whatever you see, whatever unique product that you can see through this expo conducted here in this town, you may please, I urge you to please promote our local farmers to showcase the products in various platforms like the state or the northeast, especially you have in Guwahati, in Judges Field or in Khanapara ground. You used to witness lots of such trade expo. So I hope that you will continue the friendship with our local entrepreneurs here. You will promote them in other platforms like in the northeast or maybe in the national level. So I didn't see any officers from the district commerce industries. In fact, they are very apt to be present in this moment. Kini bantuan na siya ki officer industries at invite. Naman kini program kay industries department.